Meaning of disparagement.
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 Disparagement. Disparagement is the act of belittling or speaking negatively about someone or something. It can involve making derogatory comments, spreading rumors or gossip, or undermining someone's reputation or achievements. The result of disparagement can be damaging to the individual or entity being targeted, often causing emotional distress and reputational harm. Disparagement can also have broader negative effects on society by perpetuating harmful stereotypes and creating a culture of disrespect. In short, disparagement is a harmful behavior that can have serious consequences for both individuals and society as a whole.